What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Explore, Discover, Create. My name is Chris. For those of you that are new here, we are a travel and adventure photography channel as well as do camera gear review tips and tricks. Now, if this sounds like something you are excited about, please consider subscribing down below. Now let's get on with it. So I just had basically a 24-hour layover in Bangkok, Thailand, and I could not pass up the opportunity to grab the Canon R8, grab the GoPro, and do a POV video just for you guys. Bangkok is known for its vibrancy, known for its nightlife. But I wanted to check it out during the day because you see all the stories, you see all the videos of Bangkok at night, and I know that it had to be a beautiful city during the day, and I was right, as you'll see in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Such a lovely city, such great people. Thanks Bangkok, thanks Thailand for the warm welcome, great food. We'll see you guys after the video. Alright everybody, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please like, subscribe, do all the cool things, and we'll see you guys during the Bangkok nighttime video. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss it.